Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful bell for a Christmas tree. The height of the bell is about 3.5 inches. I made this bell using this cotton thread size 10 and a hook which is almost 2 millimeters. We'll start with a magic loop like this. Make the first stitch and chain 40, which is going to be our loop hanger. Make a slip stitch in this magic ring, and now we'll be making chain 5 and single crochet 9 times. We'll start with chain 1 as the first single crochet and chain 5, so chain 6 this time. A single crochet stitch, 1 2 3 4 5, a single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, a single crochet, and continue like this 6 more times. I have made 8 arches like this, and now I'm going to make the last one. First of all, we need to pull this loop hanger to the front of our work and find the first chain that we made at the beginning of this round and make a slip stitch in this chain, and we can close this ring a little. Now we are going to make another round like this, but first of all we need to get to the top of this chain, to this arch, with slip stitches. We'll make 3 slip stitches in the first, in the second, and in the third chain, like this. Now chain 1 is the first single crochet and chain 5. We'll start each round like this with chain 6. Now we'll find the middle of the 5 chains and we'll make a single crochet, chain 5. Once again, a single crochet in the third of the 5 chains, chain 5, a single crochet in the middle, and continue like this 6 more times. At the end, chain 5 and the slip stitch in this first chain, which was our first single crochet. We have finished these 2 rounds. This is the first one, this is the second. As you can see, the next 7 rounds, you can count them like this, are absolutely the same. They also have single crochet stitches and chain 5, but there is also a picot between those arches. We'll start as usual with 3 slip stitches, 1 2 and 3, chain 6. After that, the first chain is here for the first single crochet stitch. Now, as usual, a single crochet in the middle of the chain, but now the difference, chain 3 and another single crochet stitch in the same space. This is a picot. Now chain 5, a single crochet, chain 3 and a single crochet in the same place, chain 5, a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet, and continue like this until the end of the round. At the end of the round, chain 5 and a slip stitch in this first of 6 chains. Now chain 3, a picot, and a single crochet in the same place. Now, as usual at the beginning, we'll make 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, and 3, chain 6, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 5, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, and continue like this until you get to this chain 6. When you get to this chain 6 of the beginning of the round, make a slip stitch in the first chain, chain 3, and a single crochet in the same place, 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, and 3, chain 6, a single crochet here in the middle of this arch, chain 3, a single crochet, chain 5, a single crochet, a picot made of chain 3, a single crochet, and so on. We need to make 7 rounds like this, rounds with picot. I am going to make these rounds and then I'll show you how to continue. I have finished the 7 rounds with picot, and altogether there are 9 rounds. We have 2 rounds left. In the first of those 2, we'll be making triple crochet stitches, 2 stitches in the middle of each arch, then chain 5 and 2 more triple crochet stitches. Like in the previous rounds, first we need to get to the middle of this chain. We'll do it with slip stitches, 3 slip stitches, and now chain 4, which will count as the first triple crochet stitch. A triple crochet like this, 1, 2, 3, triple, chain 5, a triple crochet stitch in the same place, and another one, 1, 2, 3. We are done here. Moving on to this chain, and we'll make 2 triple crochet stitches in the middle of this chain, 1 and 2, chain 5, and 2 more triple crochet stitches in the same chain, 1 and 2. And continue working like this. Repeat it 7 more times. At the end of the round, a slip stitch in the 4th chain, like this. And now the last round. Between those groups of 2 triple crochet stitches, we'll be making a single crochet stitch, then chain 2, a double crochet stitch in this arch, a picot, a chain 1, another double crochet stitch, picot, chain 1, and we'll repeat it to make 4 double crochet stitches, and once again chain 2, single crochet, chain 2. We'll make chain 1 as the first single crochet and chain 2. Now we are working in this arch. A double crochet stitch, chain 3, and a slip stitch in the base of that chain 3, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch using 2 threads here, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch. So we've made 4 double crochet stitches with picot. Now chain 2, a single crochet just between those groups of triple, and chain 2 again, and now we are moving to this arch of 5 and are making a double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 3, a slip stitch, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 3, and a slip stitch. Four double crochets here, chain 2, a single crochet, chain 2, and repeat this sequence 7 times. At the end of the round, chain 2 and a slip stitch in this first chain, which we made as the first single crochet. Cut off and hide the thread, like this on the reverse side of the work. And now to the most important part, which is to find something to shape your bell on. As you can see, I use clay a lot. You could also consider making a shape using something like this plastic bottle with aluminum foil and plastic wrap on it. Or you might be able to find appropriate shapes on Amazon or stores like Michael's. I found nice bell shapes on Amazon, but they are a little too small for my purposes, only about 2 inches tall. If you are using thinner thread, I will leave the link in the description of this video. To shape the bells, we'll use cornstarch. We'll mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with about a 1/4 cup of cold water. We'll add this mixture to a cup of boiling water, stirring all the time. Remove it from heat and let it cool a little. Then we soak what we crocheted for a few minutes. Then we take it all out, wring it out well, and put it on the shapes that we have prepared and leave it to dry. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video and the bell that we made together. On my channel there are other videos with Christmas bells and other ornaments for Christmas trees. Watch them if you are interested. And if you would like to be informed of all the new projects, please subscribe to the channel and push the bell button. See you next time. Bye bye.